Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of OBS Studio. In this video, I will show you how can you record your computer screen using OBS Studio. So here you can see this is the interface of OBS Studio. Here are the options to start and stop recording. And from here you have to choose display capture. I have also created many more sources to capture. So by default, you have to choose display capture. So by using this mode, you can capture your computer screen. So let me go to the another screen. So here you can see I am on the home page, but the screen recording is still on. So this is how you can record your computer screen using OBS Studio. So also there are many options you can explore. So if you want to see where this recording gets saved, you have to click on file, and then here you can see show recordings. So by going to these options, you can see where these all recordings get saved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you want to stop recording, you can click on this to stop recording. Thank you.